Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best Mars Rover LEGO is probably one of the most fascinating LEGO sets available, offering a unique blend of fun and education. This set allows you to build your own Mars rover, sparking creativity and providing insights into the world of space exploration. It's a fantastic way to engage with science and engineering, making it a perfect choice for both kids and adults who love a challenge and have a passion for space. Number 5. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Space Rover Explorer 31107. This LEGO set offers kids a universe of possibilities. It's a 3-in-1 set, allowing them to build a space rover explorer, a space base, or a space flyer. The building and rebuilding extends the fun endlessly. Kids can let their imaginations run wild with this set. They can explore an alien planet in a space rover explorer, or build their own space base. It's perfect for solo play or to combine with other sets. This set gives kids 3 different building options. They can build the Space Rover Explorer, a space base, or a space flyer. It also includes an astronaut minifigure to enhance the play experience. This awesome set is a great gift for any creative builder. The sturdy models of the Space Rover Explorer, Space Base, and Space Flyer are perfect for boys and girls aged 8 and up. The Space Rover Explorer is packed with details and ready for big adventures. It measures over 6 inches high, 7 inches long, and 4 inches wide. It's a great toy for exciting action. What we like. This set offers 3 different builds in one, sparking endless creativity. It includes an astronaut minifigure, adding to the imaginative play. If you are looking for a versatile set that offers multiple building experiences and encourages imaginative play, you should consider this one. What people say. The rover uses all the parts, which I like. Creator sets usually have things left over depending on what you build, and I can't put them with the extra parts because someday I might want to build one of the other options. The suspension is endlessly fascinating to me as I am pretty sure I'm on the autism spectrum, and the alien is cute. This thing is a nice combination of unique pieces that I hope to repurpose into unique creations in the future. Number 4. LEGO Technic NASA Mars Rover Perseverance 42158. Are you fascinated by space exploration? This LEGO Technic set lets you dive into the world of NASA's Mars Rover Perseverance. It's a fantastic way to learn about the challenges of space travel. This advanced building kit includes a replica of the Ingenuity helicopter. It accompanied the Perseverance rover on its mission to Mars. It was used to test powered flight on the Red Planet. With the accompanying augmented reality app, you can explore the rover in detail. It brings the mission to life, allowing you to understand its functions and purpose. The rover features 360-degree steering, movable arms, and fully articulated suspension. This allows it to travel across uneven surfaces, just like the real thing. It also includes buildable scientific instruments. This NASA toy is a great gift for kids who love engineering, technology, or science projects. It's a fun and educational way for them to explore their interests and build something amazing. What we like. This set brings the mission to life with an augmented reality app. It features advanced Technic functions, offering a deeper understanding of engineering. If you are passionate about science and technology and want to learn more about space exploration, you should consider this one. What people say. On the positive side, there are numerous surprises along the way. The suspension and steering are amazing. The steering is pretty loose due to the number of mechanical mechanisms, and the nature of plastic, but it's not a huge deal. And yes, there are 2 steering modes as in the actual rover. One turns in a typical arc and the other allows the rover to spin on a dime as with the real rover. This is just insane for a LEGO model to replicate. Absolutely fantastic engineering and design. Number 3. LEGO City Lunar Roving Vehicle 60348. Get ready for an out-of-this-world adventure. This LEGO set is inspired by NASA and comes with everything you need to explore the lunar surface. The set features a detailed lunar roving vehicle with 12 wheels for omnidirectional steering. It's packed with functions, just like a real moon rover. The set includes 3 LEGO astronaut minifigures ready for their mission. They're equipped to handle any challenge the moon throws their way. This moon rover playset comes with fun accessories for imaginative play. It includes a saw, shovel, planet surface scanner, and helmets. The set includes a printed pictorial building guide and digital building instructions. You can also find them in the free LEGO Building Instructions app. Once built, it's portable enough for kids to take it wherever they venture. They can bring their lunar exploration to life. This LEGO City Outer Space toy is a great gift for kids aged 6 and up. It's perfect for those who love space exploration. What we like. It features a lunar roving vehicle with omnidirectional steering, mimicking real-world rovers. The set includes astronaut minifigures, enhancing the play experience. If you like exploring the moon and enjoy realistic features in your builds, you should consider this one. What people say. The set came packaged neatly in a box, and was a good value for the money. The set was fun for our son to build and play with, and the instructions made the assembly easy. They were able to follow the instructions and assemble the vehicle with very little trouble, not needing grandma to step in. Number 2. LEGO City Mars Spacecraft Exploration Mission 60354. Get ready for an out-of-this-world experience. This LEGO City set lets kids lead digital adventures using real LEGO bricks to complete on-screen missions. It's a fun and interactive way to explore the cosmos. The set includes everything needed to build a toy spaceship. Kids will solve digital building challenges without paper instructions. They can customize the spacecraft and complete fun on-screen challenges. This set features 3 LEGO City astronaut minifigures. They come in spacesuits with helmets, ready to explore Mars. They will meet a fun lineup of characters and learn as they play. The set includes a toy metal detector, pneumatic hammer, and laser welder. It also comes with a spanner, fire extinguisher, net, cup, banana, and turkey drumstick accessories. These tools will help them on their mission. This LEGO City Missions playset is a great gift for kids ages 6 and up. It helps them develop creative and imaginative skills. It's perfect for birthdays or Christmas. The LEGO City Missions sets require a smartphone or tablet. Kids can use the free LEGO Building Instructions app to guide them. It's a fun and engaging way to play. What we like. This set allows you to lead digital adventures using real LEGO bricks. You can build a spaceship and solve on-screen challenges. If you enjoy interactive experiences and want to combine physical building with digital play, you should consider this one. What people say. The set includes a detailed Mars Rover model with articulated features. The rover's design accurately reflects the appearance of a real Mars exploration vehicle. The set incorporates functional elements, such as movable robotic arms and scientific instruments. Number 1. Brick Loot NASA Perseverance Rover Building Kit. Embark on an exciting journey to Mars with this incredible building kit. It's a detailed replica of the Perseverance rover, perfect for space enthusiasts. This educational toy is built with high-quality, durable bricks. It offers a hands-on learning experience that combines space exploration with STEM skills for all ages. The model features an intricate, detailed design true to NASA's Perseverance rover. It makes a stunning display for collectors and space fans. This building kit fits seamlessly with other major brands, offering endless creative possibilities. It's perfect for custom builds and expansions. This kit promotes critical thinking and problem-solving skills. It's ideal for classroom learning or as a unique gift to explore science and technology. Officially licensed by NASA, this model is a thoughtful gift for space lovers. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. This is a STEM educational toy, perfect for learning. It is officially licensed by NASA, ensuring authenticity. If you are a space enthusiast and want a model that combines education with fun, you should consider this one. What people say. Accurate, movable parts once assembled, excellent customer service, we didn't get shipped a tiny piece and they took care of it so nicely. Parts are a little tricky, but once it's together, it is pretty cool. This model actually really piqued her interest. The packaging and instructions were as good as I have seen from most other brick builds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.